Hey guys, Mr. Kurtz here. Hey, sorry I couldn't stay this year. I was having some health problems that made it so I couldn't be in your classroom. But I'm okay now, so don't worry about me. I came up here to the North Pole to recuperate a little bit, and Santa put me to work. So here I am working on your toys. And, oh, hang on. I got a text message coming in. Yeah, Santa says, he says, tell the kids I know they've been good. Keep being good for Miss Delgado, and they're awesome. Okay, thanks, Santa. I I met with the big guy earlier today, so I know he's really proud of you guys, and I am too. And I'm really sorry I'm not going to be there with you. So don't be sad. Um, you guys will be fine without Mr. Kurtz. But hang on, Buddy the elf is calling me. He wants to go to lunch, so I better get going. But you guys have a Merry Christmas, and thanks for being so cool and welcoming me into your classroom. Sorry I can't stay. Bye.